Hi, it's Lori Ballen. Thanks for requesting your hair test and your samples. I wanted to come to you personally really quick and show you my hair. I actually took a shower and I got my product pack from Monat, and I decided to try the hydration line because my hair was dry. I live in Vegas, it's winter, it gets super dry. So I did the hydration shampoo, the mask, hydration mask. There's a hydration mask and a replenish mask. And then I did the conditioner, and I also did the leave-in serum after that, the hydration serum. Well, after the shampoo and the mask, my hair felt okay, but it didn't feel like amazing. But then I put on the conditioner, and it was like butter after those three combined. And then I did the spray-in serum, and I massaged it in and let it sit. And can you see this? I mean, oh my gosh, the shine, the softness, it's incredible. I am a believer. Love it. I did not like my first sample of Monat. Somebody gave me a sample of, I don't know if it was the Revitalize and Renew shampoo and Revitalize conditioner, and I wasn't sold, honestly. Now, I can tell you that I did have some great hair growth. My stylist even told me how great my hair looked, so or how much hair growth I had coming in up here. So this is the hydration line. So I offered you samples. And what I need to know now is I don't have samples for every line. You know, there's certain things for curly hair and certain things for dry hair, and I sent you an offer to send you samples. Now I have the black shampoo, I have the Renew and Revive, and there's one other. I have some of the Rejuva beads, but if I didn't mention those on your email, then I don't have samples of those. So I wanted to pop in and let you know how you can get involved in this and get this great hair as well. Whoever thought I'd be doing shampoo, but man, I love it. So here's what you do. Go onto my website, ballensbeautyboutique.com. You can use the links in my email. And you're going to click, the best way to save when you buy is to become a VIP shopper or even a market partner. If you just order from the website, you can order anything you want, and I'm happy for you to do that. You'll pay whatever the retail price is on the store, and they will send that to you. If you'd like, you could set up a flex ship, and that will allow you to have a system, which is any one of those lines that I talked about, the shampoo and the conditioner. That system will be sent to you at a discounted rate, which you can see online what the discount rate is for a VIP, and you get free shipping. And there is a 30-day money-back guarantee as well. Even if you use your product down to last drop in those first 30 days, you can get it back. Now, FlexShip, you're agreeing to a few purchases. You can delay them for a couple months. Read all the details. But it's the best way to save. And most of the clients that love Monat are getting a FlexShip system. There's also a free gift. There's just for you bonus. There's all kinds of bonuses for the VIP. So that's where you want to be. If you are interested at all in earning money selling shampoo, I know, like me, which is turning into a 6-7 figure business for some people, then you would become a market partner, and you would invest in a product pack, and you would save considerably on that product pack. Product packs start at $99 and go up to $649, like for the one I bought, which was the Monster Mama. I want to try everything. I want to touch everything. And then that you'll also be able to sell and earn money. And if that is of any interest to you whatsoever, contact me and I can walk you through the compensation structure and how that works and how you make money. Otherwise, if you're just wanting to shop right now, great. My website, ballensbeautyboutique.com. Pick your product or jump onto the system savings and do the VIP FlexShip program. In any case, if I have samples that match the line that you're looking at, I'm happy to send those out with your address, okay? So message me back, email me back, let me know how you want to proceed from here so that I can get you going. Check that out. Beautimus. Is beautimus a real word? I don't think so. Anyway, talk to you guys later.